Hello everyone, let us understand what material nouns are. Let us have some images. This is an image of wood, this is an image of marble, this is an image of silk, and this is an image of glass. Let us have some more images. Image of terracotta and image of porcelain. Now, what are the material nouns? Material nouns, as its name itself suggests, it is substance out of which, now wood is a substance out of which furniture is made. Marble is a substance out of which temples, steps are made. Silk is material noun out of which different types of cloths like saris, shirts and different types of cloths are made. Glass is also material noun out of which much of the crockery, windows, then tabletop, all such type of things are made. Terracotta again it is a material noun out of which potteries are made. And then porcelain. Porcelain is the substance out of which different types of crockery is made. Now let us have some examples along with the definition. Here material nouns definition we will start. Material nouns are names of substances. Here the images shown here, these are all substances or we can call it as material. Now the material nouns are the substances or materials from which things are made. Now here gold, silver, iron, wood, cotton, silk, wool, plastic, glass, paper. These are all substances or we can call it as materials. Either we can call it as substances or we can call it as material. Out of these things are made. Now what things are made out of these material nouns? Let us have some examples. Now here the ring is made of gold. So let us see which thing is made of gold. So we'll box it and we'll understand it. Let us have the example. See, here the ring is made of gold. So here ring is the substance that is made of gold. Then next one, my grandmother wears a silver necklace. Silver is used for making necklace. So we can call it necklace as a thing that is made out of silver, and silver is material noun here. Like this same, gate is made of iron. Iron is substance, so we can call it as material noun, and gate is made of iron. Table is made of wood. Wood is material noun. It is a substance, and table is made of wood. This shirt is made of cotton. Cotton is material noun here, and shirt is made of cotton. The bride wears a beautiful silk sari. Here silk is material noun and a bride wears a beautiful sari. That beautiful sari was made of silk. Now the sweater is made of wool. Wool is material noun and sweater is made of wool. The bottle is made of plastic. Plastic is material noun and the bottle is made of plastic. The window is made of glass. Glass is material noun and the window is made of glass. We write on paper every day. Here paper is material noun and we use paper every day for writing. Now next examples. The carpenter works with wood. Here wood is material noun on which carpenter works to make different types of furniture. The workers melt iron in the factory. Here iron is material noun and workers melt it in the factory for making the heavy goods. The jeweler sells gold ornaments. Here gold is material noun and jeweler sells the ornaments, those are made up of gold. So here gold is material noun. The artist painted on canvas. Canvas is material noun and artist uses the canvas for making paintings. Now next one, the statue is carved from marble. Marble is material noun and statue is carved from marble. The road is covered with asphalt. Asphalt is material noun and road is covered with asphalt. The bridge is built with steel. Here steel is material noun and here steel is used for building the bridge. The cup is made of ceramic. Here ceramic is material noun and cup is made of ceramic. The farmer stores grain in a jute sack. Here jute is material noun and farmer use the jute sack to store grains. Next example, the blanket is woven from wool. Here wool is material noun and blanket is woven from wool. The box is made of cardboard. Cardboard is material noun and the box is made up of cardboard. Craftsman shapes clay into pots. So here clay is material noun and craftsman shapes clay into pots. Means what? Pots are made of clay. Next one, the floor is covered with marble tiles. Here marble is material noun and floor tiles are covered on the floor. So here marble is the material noun. The necklace contains precious diamonds. Diamonds is material noun. Diamonds are the material nouns and the necklace that contains the diamonds is made up of or is used diamond for making the necklace, or we can say that necklace is made of using the diamonds for its beauty. The ship is constructed from steel. Steel is material noun and ship is constructed from steel. The curtain is made of silk. Silk is material noun and curtain is made of silk. The basket is woven from bamboo. Here bamboo is material noun and the basket is woven from bamboo. Next example, the rope is made of hemp. Hemp is used to make rope. So here hemp is material noun. The coin is made of copper. Copper is material noun out of which the coin is made. The bucket is made of plastic. Plastic is material noun and bucket is made of plastic. Next example, the watch has a leather strap. Watch has a strap and that is made up of leather. So we can say that leather is a material noun. The shoes are made of leather. Here again leather is material noun and shoes are made of leather. The building uses cement and bricks. Here two material nouns are there. Cement and bricks both are material nouns. Building, the building when it is needed to be constructed, then for building a building cement and bricks are required. So here we can say that cement and bricks are material nouns. The sculpture is made from stone. Here stone is material noun and sculpture is made of stone. The bell cast from bronze. Bronze is used to make a bell. So we can say that the bell is cast from bronze. The crown is decorated with gold. Here gold is material noun and the crown is decorated with gold. The cupboard is made of plywood. Here plywood is material noun and cupboard is made of plywood. The notebook contains many sheets of paper. Here paper is material noun and the notebook contains many sheets of paper. Next one, the vase is made of porcelain. Porcelain is material noun and vase is made up of porcelain. The pipe is made of rubber. Rubber is material noun and the pipe is made of rubber. Next example, the roof is supported by steel beams. Here steel is material noun and the roof is supported by steel beams. Next, the necklace is adorned with pearls. Here pearls is material noun and the necklace is obtained with pearls. Sorry, the necklace is adorned with pearls. The wall is built with cement. Here cement is material noun and the wall is built with cement. The pen is made of plastic and metal. So here plastic and metal both are material nouns out of which the pen is made. The boat is carved from wood. Wood is material noun and the boat is carved out of wood. The mirror is made of glass. Glass is material noun and the mirror is made of glass. The scarf is woven from cotton. So here cotton is material noun and the scarf is woven from cotton. The potter uses clay to make utensils. Here clay is material noun and it is used, the potters use it to make utensils. The trophy is made of silver. Here silver is material noun and the trophy is made of silver. Next one, the jewelry box is the jewelry box is crafted from wood. Here wood is material noun and the jewelry box is crafted from the wood. Now let us have some quick list of material nouns. This is very important. You may pause the video and write down all the sentences, highlight the material nouns and highlight the things as well. Now let us have the look on material nouns used above in a quick list. Now metals are used in the sentences above. Metals are used, then natural materials are used, then manufactured materials are used and precious materials are also used. Let us have the look on each and every material noun. At first, metals: gold, silver, iron, steel, copper and bronze. These are all material nouns and these material nouns are names of the metals. Now the next one, natural materials: wood, cotton, silk, wool, bamboo, hemp, leather, clay, stone, marble. These are all natural materials out of which different things are made. The next one is manufactured materials. Manufactured materials are generally called as human made materials or man made materials. Plastic, glass, paper, cardboard, cement, porcelain, ceramic, rubber, plywood and asphalt. These are the manufactured materials. Next one, precious materials like diamonds and pearls. These are precious materials. Now let us have the single tree diagram to understand material nouns. See, material nouns, at first it is used for metals. Which metals? Gold, silver, iron, copper and steel. Not only these materials, but whatever metals are there in the universe, those are found, those are all metals studied under the heading of material nouns. Now next is natural materials: wood, cotton, silk, wool and bamboo. These are the natural materials. Out of these natural materials, different things are made. Next one is manufactured materials. Manufactured materials: plastic, glass, paper, cement and rubber. Here these substances are also used to make new substances. Hello. So plastic, glass, paper, cement and rubber. These are material nouns which are used for manufactured materials. Next one, precious materials. Precious materials used in the sentences above are diamonds and pearls. These are also precious materials. Let us summarize what we have learnt in the material nouns. Let me make it fix on the screen. Now, material nouns, what does it mean? Material nouns are the names of the things that are made up of particular material or substance. Let us have the definition of it. Material nouns are nouns that refer to materials or substances. Next example. Now, examples of material nouns. Some common material nouns are wood, water, gold, iron, glass, cotton, sugar and oil. These are common material nouns. Now, when we discuss about the types of material nouns, the types of material nouns divided into two parts. First part is countable material objects. First part of the types of the material noun is countable material objects. We can count them because they have a separate shape or piece. So that's why we can count it. Now, opposite of it is uncountable substances or materials. We cannot count them because they have no fixed shape in it. So we cannot count it. So glass, sugar, oil, rice, these are the examples of uncountable substances or materials. Next, use in a sentence. How to use material nouns in a sentence? Let us have the look on it. Material nouns are used to talk about the materials something is made of. Now, let us use the material nouns in examples for better understanding. The table is made of wood. So, here wood is there, that is the material noun or material substance. Wood is there and out of that table is made. We need water to live. Here water is playing the role of material noun, as we all need water for survival. Next one, gold is a valuable metal. No doubt gold is a valuable metal. Next one, she drinks milk every day. Here milk is material noun. Iron is used to make many tools. Here iron is material noun. Now some key points are there to remember about material nouns. And what are those key points? Material nouns refer to material or substance. Next point, some are countable objects and some are uncountable substances. Next point, they help us describe what things are made of. The helps us material noun helps us describe what things are made of. Now let us have the synopsis or the summary of the lesson. Materials or material nouns name the materials or substances that things are made of. They can be countable objects or uncountable substances. The next part we'll see in the next video. Thank you and have a good day. Wherever there is a requirement, you please pause the video, write down on the separate page material nouns. Then there is no need to write down or draw images. Simply you just take each and every image title and write the definition and please practice it. And you can do one homework, that is just putting the box or underlining the things that you can do it in the homework. Thank you and have a good day.